In what is set to become yet another flashpoint within the allies of Maha Aghadi government in Maharashtra, Deputy Chief Minister and NCP leader Ajit Pawar has said that EVMs cannot be manipulated and show correct numbers, a stand contrary to the party's stand on EVMs. And recently, Maharashtra Speaker, viewers would recall, had asked the legislature to form a law to bring back ballot paper voting and give voters a choice between EVMs and ballot papers. Now, that is a move that was initiated by the Congress-backed Maharashtra Speaker. The legislature was asked to formulate a law in this respect in order to bring ballot paper back and give the choice to the voters to opt between the two. Let's listen in to now what Ajit Pawar of the NCP has to say on this issue.
त्या वोटिंगमुळं त्या मशीनमुळं किमान एक संधी तरी राहतील दारुण पराभव झालेल्या उमेदवारांना सांगता येतं, त्या पक्षाच्या नेत्यांना सांगता येतो मशीनमध्ये घोटाळा झाला म्हणून पराभव झाला आणि ज्यांचा निर्विवाद बहुमत मिळतं ते तर आनंदीच असतात की बाबा चला यंत्रांनी साथ दिली. परंतु तसं काही नाही. आम्ही पण 6-7 निवडणुका लढवल्यात. मी स्वतः उभं होतो. भुजबळ साहेबांनी अनेक निवडणुका लढवल्यात. त्याच्यामुळे ते वोटिंग हे व्यवस्थितच मतदान करून पण घेतं आणि आकडे पण व्यवस्थित दाखवतो.
Let me go across to Mirror, Deputy News Editor Mayuresh Ganpati joining us live. Mayuresh, in the Maha Vikas Aghadi, the Congress, the NCP and the Shiv Sena, one would have imagined, is together in this when they propose the idea of bringing back ballot paper, and the Speaker had asked the legislature to formulate a law. It seems now there is a certain section in the NCP not in favor of this. How is it that Ajit Pawar now comes out at this juncture to go ahead and say that EVM is the most accurate way? Does this mean that there is no consensus among the three allies on this issue?
Prima facie, it looks like that there is no consensus amongst the Maha Vikas Aghadi alliance partner, because last week when Nana Patole had asked Law and Judiciary Department to come up with a proposal or a draft of a proposal where the state government can at least introduce a ballot paper in local body elections. And also further, while speaking with Mirror Now, Nana Patole had said that even the state government is contemplating, or we have asked state government to see how the possibility how we can introduce the ballot paper in the state government elections, that is a state assembly election. But what right now Ajit Pawar had said is completely contrary to what the former Speaker of Maharashtra Assembly had asked the state government to check the possibility, which clearly shows, because when last time we spoke with all three parties, out of two parties basically, that is Congress and NCP, had said that yes, such kind of move is necessary, and the Speaker has basically asked the Law and Judiciary Department to check the possibility, which also means that the Congress and NCP were in a favor of this particular move by Nana Patole, who was. But here, right now, what we are getting to hear, or what we just heard, the Marathi bite of Ajit Pawar, where he said in Nasik that there is nothing wrong in EVM and all the results of EVM are always right. Back to you.
Yes, because he also adds to substantiate his point, Mayuresh, that he has fought 7 elections and he found that the EVM results were accurate. Now, at this juncture, for such differences to appear would obviously give a lot of ammunition to the BJP.
Absolutely that, because as I said till last week when we spoke with NCP was also on the board, and they clearly said that though it's a prerogative of a speaker to ask for such kind of proposal, but yes, there has to be some amendments which need to be made, and the state government should check the possibility. Moreover, even the NCP's official stand, we have heard a lot of time Sharad Pawar or any senior leader from the NCP basically criticizing the EVMs and saying against the EVM.
All right. So what is the status of this entire issue? We will track that with you, Mayuresh, because right now you're telling us that the possibility and the viability of bringing back ballot paper as another option along with EVM is being considered. Whether a law can be made towards this end or not, yet to be seen. Thanks for joining us, Mayuresh, with latest information on this.